Hi, I'm Chef Jeff White. Today we're here to show you the mode Rapid Fry. Rapid Fry is designed as an a la carte frying process. So if we have an order of French fries and we put it into the Perfect Fry unit, we can then load another load of fries afterwards and let the French fries just continue to fry in order. So let's say, for instance, we come to the unit, we select preset 3 times until it displays Rapid Fry. From here, we want to load our first batch of French fries, put it into the drawer. We close the drawer. We can say, for instance, this may be our first order of French fries. Here it asks us to select our preset setting, which is 1 for French fry. And the unit loads the product, fries it, and then we'll dump the fries into the basket. From here, once the drawer itself is put back into place, as it's moving back now, we can open the drawer again. Now we can go ahead and load our fries again. Now our second load is done on a Rapid Fry. The basket's been lifted, draining the oil off the product, and then it's going to drop the product into our pan. Now I'd like to show you how to put the unit into standby mode. During slow periods, using standby mode reduces energy costs, it allows a quick recovery, and it'll minimize your oil breakdown. To do, all you need to do is to select your on and off and cancel at the same time. You'll see that the unit goes into the standby option. In the standby option, the unit will cool down to 275 degrees and maintain that temperature in a slow period, helping save costs and energy and in oil breakdown and loss. To resume cooking, you'll see that all you'll need to do is press your on to resume. And now the unit will heat up to 350 and be ready to continue cooking.